As you already know, a variable is quantity that may change in the mathematics. Also, there are variables in the Java program. Today, I'm talking about Java variables. In a Java program, a variable is used to store information to be manipulated and refreshed. The reason we use variables is to label and store any data in the memory. To label, the programs can be understood more clearly. We cannot build any software if we cannot store the data. Firstly, we declare variables in the class, instances, or methods like this. The int is one of the types of data. Secondly, we assign value to a variable. Here, that means to put 0 into the width variable. The equal is an assignment operator. The symbol always works from right to left. I will explain the Java operators in the next video in detail. Also, we can declare and assign simultaneously. Here, we initialize the variable is 0. In Java programming, if we use variables as a string type, we must enclose the value in a double quotation. If we use variables as an int type, we don't need to enclose the value. There are two types of variables in the Java programming world. I will introduce you to those two types. There are 8 data types in the Java program. We can understand them easier when coding Java programs. We don't need to keep them all in mind, but it would be better if we can use these variables during coding Java. There are 3 variable types. They are not the data type. Local variables means that they are declared inside the body of the method. We can only use the local variables within the method. We cannot use local variables from any other method. For example, the start method cannot refer to the toggle variable in the stop method. Instance variables means that they are declared inside the class. We can use instance variables within the class. We cannot use instance variables from any other Java class. For example, both the start method and the stop method can refer to the count variables. Both two methods cannot refer to these 3 instance variables in the fun class. Static variables means that they are declared as static. We can copy the single static variables and share it among all the instances of the class. Static variables allocate the memory only once when the class is loaded in the memory. A variable in the program is a container for storing data value. Again, we don't need to enclose the value of the int type, but we must enclose the value of the string type in double quotation. It is important for us to understand the data types and variable types. Enjoy it. Bye for now.